Good morning, my dear students. Today I'm back with another lesson. But before starting the lesson, let us go back and revise the 5 vowels. So, name the short vowels: a, e, I, o, e. Can you please repeat after me? A, e, I, o, e. These are the short vowel sounds. And do you remember the rule which we did yesterday? Yes, the rule says when two vowels are walking, only one does the talking and second one is shh, silent. So here a and I, when they will come together, only the first vowel will talk in its letter name and it will be known as A. So it's A, E, I, O, U. Once again, we'll repeat our rule. When two vowels are walking, only one does the talking and second one is shh, silent. So, and the first one will talk in its letter name, A and E. But which letter is this? A, E, I. OA says O. UE says U. Very good. So now today we are going to revise some long vowel sounds. Okay. So A and E says A. A as in, I'll write in Hindi as well. It's A. As we say, A se AD wala A. Now, can you see these little dots? These little dots are nothing but the sound. So, this letter, this word has 4 letters in this, but there are only 3 sounds. So, how are we going to revise this? How are we going to read this? We're going to put a pointer finger under the dot and we'll say the sound. For example, G, A, N, gain. Very good. R, A, N, rain. P, A, N, pain. S, A, L, sail. T, A, L, tail. So, A and E make one single sound and that is A. And that is why we have given only one dot for this sound. One dot represents one sound. Now coming to the E sound words. B, E, B. Eel, eel. S, E, T, seed. F, eat, feet. K, eep, keep. Very good. Isn't it very easy? Yes, I hope you all are enjoying. This double E makes E as in badi E. Now, OA. OA makes the sound O as in O say Oakley. Okay? Oat, oat. K, oat, coat. R-O-D, road. F-O-L, foal. S-O-P, soap. OA says O. Very good. Now, IE says I, as in I. I, pie. I, tie. I, tide. I, diet. I, fried. I, untie. Untie. Very good. Now coming to the last vowel. UE says you. You, as in you. Okay. You. Pursue. Pursue. Very good. You. Blue. You. Clue. This sound you haven't studied as of now. When A and R come together, it says R. Okay, that we'll do later. But as for now, you remember this. It says R. A and R, when they come together, they make one sound, that is R. Argue. Argue. Fuel. Fuel. Value. Value. Very good. So kids, I hope you enjoyed today's video. You also make some of the new words and keep posting your videos on the group. Happy learning. Bye-bye.